When you first get your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. It won't be populated for several days until the data starts flowing into the account, so the MX records and IP ranges are opened up to allow malflow through the product. There's nothing wrong with the product initially, just configuring your dashboard for first-time usage. The next thing you'll notice down here is your log search. This gives you the ability to search throughout all of your logs. Right now we're currently at the demo reseller level, so this would be searching your account that would be under here. So things that you'll notice, of course, is that the first tab here is you can search based off of all users, discovered users list if you're using SMTP, specific users, specific groups, and specific functional accounts, aka distribution lists. Under all user logs, you have inbound mail and outbound mail to search through. You can change the status of what you're looking for, anything from quarantined to reported to blocked, and many different versions of how cleared would be done through the filter. You can also control date ranges in there. You have a wealth of options. You can search over the last 30 days throughout the account. You could put the from, the to, and the subject. You're also able to do an advanced search in here as well, such as blocked, spam, virus, image, cleaned, and allowed. And also you can change how it was received at, from, to, subject, or received at. As far as management of your partner account, come down under administration, go to user management, go to users. You're going to notice there's several roles here to pick from. Channel administration login will give you the ability to manage all of your customers under one login. End user login, these would be users simply working for your company that do not have full access to their account. Hitting add a new user will give you the option to choose those roles. You'll enter a first name, a last name, an email address. Optionally, you can put a phone number in there and then choose the role. Organizational admin gives you control of a particular account. Channel admin gives you full control of your partner account. End users get all of their information, have access to their daily quarantine. Silent users, they do not have access to any of the other additional options to be able to edit their system. They simply get email security. Once you've done that, you can hit save and add a new administrator. Coming over to customer management, this is where you can view your customers underneath your account. Hit the customers tab, and you'll be able to visually see any of the end users that you have listed underneath there. Of course, you'll see your account. In this case, the demo reseller account would be your top level. And then we also see customer account. Clicking on customer account will drill you down to that level. As you can see from the top menu bar here, you've been able to navigate down to that particular end user. And you can begin work on any of the information at that level. We'll go over in much more detail under the administration guide on how to control each of these options within the customer account. To navigate back up to your top level, simply click on the house. You can see where it says Demo Reseller Account, and that'll navigate you right back up to the top. In our next section here, we're going to show you how to add a new customer to your account. Go under Administration, Customer Management, New Customers. Click Add a Customer. Choose your package, Beginner, Business, Advanced, or Professional. For purpose of demonstration, we'll just pick Advanced. If you have a template already pre-built out, you certainly can choose that at this time frame. Give the customer a name. Put an address in there. Telephone number. Zip code. Choose your state, country, appropriate time zone so the quarantines get delivered at the appropriate time, notification, and you're required to put a company website. If you don't have a company website, you certainly need to fill that field out. However, just put the www and the domain listed. Copy that domain, as we'll need that just a little bit in the future. Continue to configure customer. It's going to ask us for the domain now. Go ahead and put that in there. The delivery destination, so this is the IP delivery range. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put the fully qualified domain name in. However, I would recommend putting the true IP address in there. Your failover IP. It's going to require you to create a customer administrator account. So I'm just going to create a generic one at this time. You can see how it auto-populates it for you. If you're good with that, you certainly can leave that in there. Just going to edit that a little bit to make it a little easier. You can choose to send it a welcome message or not. I'm going to uncheck that box. You can choose to load your users via LDAP at this time frame. However, you can also do that later. Outbound IP, if you're going to be sending outbound through Proofpoint, it is recommended to do so. Continue to packages and licenses. Number of licensed users. Now, at Excel Micro, we don't actually bill off the license amount. However, this is a required field, so just put near what you believe the end user would be. In this case, I'm going to just put 50, and I'm going to continue to the summary. As you can see, it's going to show you a summary of information, such as the account type, customer's name, the domain, delivery destination. You can verify all that information. Once you've done that, you need to accept the end user licensing agreement. And you have two options within the product. You can place the order, which would immediately make that a billable user, or you can do a 30-day trial. It is important if you do a trial, the account does need to be activated. If it does not get activated before the 30-day time frame, it will be disabled. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and place the order. Proofpoint's going to go ahead and add that to your account. Once that's completed, it's going to take you right to that customer. As you can see, it's navigated right down to there, and it's going to show you all the appropriate information for that customer. You can begin to edit any of the important and pertinent information. For more information on how to configure this end user, see our admin guide. Thank you for joining us today on our partner walkthrough. Just a quick overview how to navigate through your account, how to set up a new user, and take a look at how our dashboard functions and operates. Thank you. Have a great day.